viewers, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would wish you all a very happy 2021. May untold blessings come your life in this year. Taurans, thank you for your support in this journey. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified about our future videos. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use oracle decks that we have here, possibly this deck, which is a love oracle deck, and I'll also use Archangel Raphael healing cards for a message. Taurans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so take whatever resonates with your story. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into 2021, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Possibly in this period, Taurans, you were reevaluating your goals. You were also planning about the future. I think you had made some gains as well. You may have also invested in gadgets, or maybe you have invested in mutual funds. Taurans, maybe somebody had also been in financial support in this period. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Again, financial issues take center stage. Maybe there could be disagreements with family members on account of financial matters. Ideally, I think Taurans, you should sort the issues out rather than be temperamental. Your emotions could fluctuate this month, so you need to get a grip on those emotions. Sometimes you may also find yourself being sidelined. Taurans, I think you want your views to be listened to. Maybe you think that it's always you who has to cooperate, or you have to surrender to the whims and fancies of others. But you're decided about not giving an inch. In this month, I think also you should promote yourself, because it's the Pentacle energy, which is your energy, the Earth energy. So you need to work towards your goals. Influences for the month, we have the King of Pentacles, another Pentacle card in the offing for the month. Certainly, Taurans, I think you need to dig in your heels. In case you're applying for a job, I think you should talk about your emotional setbacks, or talk about the setbacks that you have faced in the past. It's a huge possibility that the person who's listening to your side of the story could be overwhelmed and could give you the job. This month, I think a senior person or an influential person is definitely going to come to the rescue for you, is going to support you. There'll be gains in this month, but don't allow anyone to take you for a ride, because there could be some people who could try to fleece you, or try to get the better of you, or try to take you for a ride. There'll also be reunions in the month of January. Maybe you'll also be surprised to hear from an acquaintance with whom you had disagreements in the past. So this is a time to bridge the differences, or to bury the hatchet and move forward. It's a new year, it's a new energy that you are coming into, and the new year just is asking you to forgive and forget. The first 10 days of January 2021, we have the Eight of Wands. So good news is definitely coming in. There's also the possibility that there will be increased communication in this period. You will be up and about, no doubt. Maybe there could be a job offer, so check your mails, because there could be job offers there. However, you may not be too happy with the offers in place, because maybe you think that you are not promised as much as you would have liked. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be travel, or there could be some kind of movement, or you may be making travel plans this month or within the first 10 days. Your social life is also going to be on the upswing, possibly that you could meet new people on account of the trip that you make. This trip could also open work opportunities for you. Maybe you'll come across new clients. While working, you may find that there'll be interruptions, but you'll have to manage to do the work. I think there'll be those periods when you will be working non-stop, or even though you have a lot on your plate, but then you'll have to carry on. Basically, time is at a premium in this month, and you want the deadlines to be extended. Maybe you need more time to carry on with the tasks. some of you, I'm also picking up that existing relationships could be under strain. So you need to work on your relationship, especially with the male figure, possibly a paternal figure, maybe even your dad. From 11th to 20th January, we have the Knight of Wands. You have that go-getter attitude, you are quite adventurous, and you're open to the new possibilities that are there, that life will present to you at this point in time. Taurus, you're also someone who's quite creative, but you should be very careful while working because there's a huge chance that you may overlook the details. A flexible and adaptable approach will definitely help you make gains. Again, this period will also be marked by a lot of communication, or excess communication is in the offing. For some of you, you should also be very careful of your financial dealings because they could be under the scanner, or you could be questioned about how you have put money to use. Nonetheless, you'll be happy with your progress. Sometimes, you have to deal with emergency situations. May you have to keep aside whatever you're working on and prioritize. So Taurus, you'll be doing just that. In the month, I think also you should consult or take suggestions from or tips from your financial consultant as well. Even in legal matters, I think you need to strengthen your case. The final days, we have the Empress card, that is 21st to 31st January. In this period, I think a female energy is coming into your life, or you're going to be very attuned to your feminine side. Your personal magnetism is definitely going to be at its peaks, and you'll be forming new friendships. I think the vibration is such that because your social contacts will increase, so you're coming across new people in this month. Avoid quarrels on inconsequential matters. Again, between 21st to 31st January, you may be making gains, but then you may not be too happy. There could also be offers, maybe for a side profession. So you should give it a thought. Be open to it rather than be tentative. Positive feedback can also be expected in this period as well. On the other hand, those who are at the helm of affairs, I think you should be more tolerant with your juniors. Maybe you should give them the freedom to carry on the way they desire. Relax or loosen yourself so that they can also work with freedom. There'll be times when you'll be appreciated, no doubt. Perks will also be coming your way on account of work. In fact, even your rivals will understand that you're in control of the situation, or that you have everything under control, that you have stamped your authority on the workplace. By the way, on the social media also, I think you should be careful because there could be online spammers, or there could be something you should watch out for on social media. With respect to your love life, I have the card Mute from the Mystic Moon Oracle deck. I think communication could be a bit of a problem, or could be a bit of a worry this month with respect to your love life. I think those of you who are crushing on someone, you could be quite nostalgic in this month. Maybe there are too many problems at home. So you want to be free and you want to be in the arms of your beloved. Nonetheless, Taurus, I think you'll be quite rule-worthy this month. Like I said, your personal magnetism will be at its peak, so definitely attention is coming your way from the opposite sex, even unwanted attention. In fact, even on account of a trip that you may come across people from other communities who are showing more than a passing interest in you. Those who are romancing, I think you'll be having brief but profound conversations. So this card of Mute, so I think you need to be more communicative with your partner or with your beloved. Sometimes you'll be definitely sharing those romantic poems, or maybe you will be discussing books with respect to work as well. I think for some of you, you'll also be discussing marriage. Many times you'll be discussing everything about your past life as well, or your childhood with the special someone. For some of you who are in a surreptitious romance or who are in a hush-hush relationship, I think you may want your person to go ahead and declare his feelings publicly. Maybe you want other people to be aware of your relationship because you think it's no point keeping it behind a mask or keeping it behind closed doors, but then the person in question may not be too happy about your suggestion. This is why this could lead to a communication gap between the two of you. Married Taurans, I think sometimes you'll be in a romantic mood, no doubt, but there will be those times when you feel that your person is taking spites on you, or he is finding faults. You think you are in a marriage which has both its good and bad moments. Financial affairs could also be something which could take center stage with respect to your marriage. Some of you, I'm also feeling that you could feel neglected in the relationship. That is why the card mute has come up. Maybe you are distancing yourself. You would definitely wish that your partner would appreciate the thoughtfulness, or he should be aware that there are a lot of things behind the scenes that you are doing. Incidentally, I think this month your partner could also be someone who could present you with gifts. So appreciate the gesture instead of carp about the unsuitability of the gift. To Raphael, we have the card avoid allergens. So Taurans, I think you should be careful about what you eat. Even the medicines you take on account of ill health could have some reaction, or there are chemicals there which you need to be doing away with. Possibly you should focus on organic food. Pollen could also lead to an allergic reaction, so be careful of that. Another card we have is aroma memories. So sometimes you will also be distracted this month on account of memories, or you are recollecting the past. The memories will definitely linger. I think sweetness or sweet memories are something which brings a smile to our faces. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every month. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week, so you can get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.